A lot of good things.
Thank you.
A lot of good things.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. It's great to be with President Barzani of Kurdistan, and we have a meeting scheduled for a long time. We've wanted to meet. We've worked together very well. As you know, we left Syria from the standpoint of the border, and that's worked out great with Turkey. It's worked out far better than anybody ever thought possible. They have the so-called safe zone, and I appreciate everything you've done to keep it as safe as possible. But very importantly, as you know, we have the oil, and we left soldiers for the oil because we took the oil, and we're working on that, and we have it very nicely secured. We also have thousands of ISIS prisoners. We've taken over 100% of the caliphate, and it's a very interesting region, but we've had a tremendous relationship, and it's great to be with you. Thank you very much.
President. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Please, would you like to say something?
I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, Mr. President, to receive us, in Davos. As you said, we've been quite a long time waiting for that moment. Thank you for your leadership. Thank you for your support. So we did defeated ISIS together.
Right.
So, and on behalf of people, in Kurdistan, I would like to express our thanks and gratitude to your leadership and your support. Thank you, sir.
Very much. Really great.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.